Jesus, thanks, Abby. All right, now for the great unboxing of my first official tool set. I'm so excited. So me and Danette did a thing. We went to Lowe's for paint, Home Depot for paint. Ended up spending about $500. But it's good. She's not on camera. She's right there because whatever. So anyway, this is a Ryobi 18 volt 6-piece tool set. I'm going to open it and maybe I know what some of the things do, maybe I don't. We'll see. Don't think about this. They put it in the bag. Please hold on. Told y'all she was here.
I'm here for moral support.
All right, Christmas in July. First thing up, a flashlight that I'll probably never use because that's what iPhones are for. This is a saw, a reciprocating or jigsaw, one of the two. I got the cheat code. Reciprocating. All right. So I really don't know what this is for, but I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna show you when I use it. I just love this color. So cute. All right. Ooh, I do know what this is. This is an impact drill. This is for like your heavy duty, I need to put shutters back on my house drilling. So, all it does is drill from what I understand. This one's cool. It has like a little magnetic area. It has some lights and it's like really comfortable. Wait till I get this battery in here. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Use it. Okay, this is, it looks like an instruction manual. It has some saws in there. I think this goes to the reciprocating saw. Ooh, charging station. So it says 30-minute charger. Can I plug my phone up into this? It looks like you can only charge one thing at a time, but unless you have 4 hands, you probably don't need to use 2 tools at a time, so that works. Ooh, this is big. It's a big boy. Let's see.
Golly.
This is the saw that I've been waiting for my whole life. But this is the saw that I couldn't wait to flex on at Lowe's last night. I told the guy I needed to cut something. He was like, well, we can't cut that for you. I was like, I have a saw. Facts. I just bought it 20 minutes ago, but never mind that. So this is it. Trash, more trash, drill. So this is just a regular drill. This is like the everyday, I just bought a house so I need tools, let me buy a drill. This one's cute. I have a Black & Decker one that I've had literally since my first apartment. I thought it was back there, it's not. This one's cuter. Oh, this tool. So, the multi-purpose tool. Y'all, I talked so much about this tool when I saw it in the pack. I'm like, what is this? What is this? Can I swap this for something else? I Googled it. This is actually one of the best tools in there. You can make it a sander. It actually works with rigid tools, whatever those are, and Dremel tools, whatever those are. But I Googled it. So this bad boy actually might come in handy. I'll show you when I use it. Show you, yeah. I can talk sometimes. And then our batteries. I think these are just the basic like entry level 1 point something batteries, 1.5. So from what I understood, like these will work for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, maybe it was 3 hours, I don't know. They don't last all day, but for me, I usually quit projects after 2 hours, so these should be fine. And I have 2 of them. All right, so that is, oh wait, there's something else in here. Oh, sanding for the multi-purpose tool. So it actually comes with a few sanding pads. There's some type of blade in here. Once again, I'll show you when I actually use it. All right, so that is the great unboxing of my first tool set. I'm really excited about it. It was actually supposed to be $300. We got it for $250. Yeah, I wanted to share with Danette. She declined. So we each have our own tool set that we'll probably never use. This is a nice bag.